What's up, my February fabulous gems? I have 2 special things for your birthday month. You know, I didn't plan this today, but I am wearing your color. Let's talk about the first flower. That's the violet. So violets are a group of small, delicate flowering plants belonging to the genus Viola or Viola. They are known for their charming, often fragrant flowers that come in various colors. I didn't even know this, but we know violet, but also blue, yellow, and white. Violets are commonly found in gardens and natural landscapes around the world. These are super pretty. So also this, which is pretty cool for our gardens, they can be annuals, biennials, or perennials. And some of the more popular varieties include the common blue violet and the sweet violet. These purple beauties are associated with sentiments like modesty, faithfulness, and guess what? Love. And your second flower is the primrose. Primroses are a group of herbaceous flowering plants belonging to the genus Primula. These plants are known for their attractive, often brightly colored flowers and are popular in, guess what? Gardens and landscapes. Some of the well-known species include the common primrose, the cowslip, and the drumstick. Never heard of that. In some cultures, the primrose is seen as symbols of love and youth. The primrose is a real popular flower that's used in our gardens. Some people use them as borders and woodland settings. You can plant these in containers or you can just use them for ground cover. But this would be a beautiful addition to your garden this season. So for those of you who have a birthday in February, I pray that this is a fabulous month for you. Enjoy yourself. Celebrate yourself. Let's give them love in the comments, y'all. Don't forget to put your birthday in the comments so we can give you some love. Like, comment, share, and follow for more. And oh yeah, happy planting.